guys, welcome back to my brand new video. This is Shreya and you're watching Shri Creates. So this is the day 2 of my 7 days daily upload challenge, wherein I'll be going to upload every single day a video which is related to tech, engineering and coding stuff, internships, right? So stay tuned for this whole 7 days when you're going to see me as your tutor to just guide you, just motivate you. Okay, so if you're following this, it's just thumbs up. So are you excited? So yeah, let's start. Okay, so I'm carrying this diary wherein I have written a few points wherein I'm going to discuss with you all today. As in, if you just say ki, so just that just a minute guys, yeah. So I'll just not miss any points if there is important or not. Okay, I'll just let you know every single point which I've wrote it down here, which is very important. Okay, so yeah, so today's topic will be about the research papers. So most of the engineering students think that research papers are just for the MBA students or MTech students or PhD students, but you're wrong. Like I am second year engineering students and I'm currently working on my research paper. Okay, so today I'll show you how you also can start the research paper being at your own level. So this video can reach to anyone. Maybe it is final year students or pre-final year students or first year students or like me second year students as well. So be it for anyone, research is important. If you are in the tech field, if you are pursuing your masters or your corporate jobs also, so for that research papers are important. Okay, now let me tell you in brief why are these important. First of all, they build the resume. It helps a lot when it comes to the resume. It helps during internships. So when you're applying for internships, it asks your credentials, right? So what are your skills? What did you build in the past few months? So you can just showcase this, right? So it gives a higher opportunity to do masters in the field where you are willing to. I mean, if that field is difficult or there's a lot more of competition, due to this thing you can just hike your level wherein you are at the top. Okay, so it looks of course great on LinkedIn. So if you just post that my research paper is absolutely published, successfully published for this and this citations, okay, so it will be just good. And of course, hence it helps in placements. So as I told you, resume, तो वो resume कहाँ पे जाता है? Placements. It helps in placements. So of course, like when it comes to placements, this gives a clear cut for that interviewer to interview you कि वो जानना चाहते हैं कि आप research में क्या क्या किए हो. So that becomes a cup of tea for them. So just carry on. Okay. Now coming to how to start exactly. Okay, so as I have also started, I'm also working on a current research paper. Like I'll tell you when it gets published and all. So like now see, step 1, choose your interest. Choose your interest where you want to build, where you want to write your research paper. Okay, so it's just like maybe it is in IoT, maybe it is in VLSI, maybe it is in embedded systems. So this I'm telling it about with respect to electronics, ENC engineering. If you are in CS, you can go for cybersecurity, data analytics, AI/ML. Okay, many of the branches are there. So as well as electrical, as well as mechanical, be it in any branch, you can write your research papers. Okay, so step 2, read the papers available. I'll tell you where you can get these all research papers, the sites, the websites. That's it. So I'll tell you all that thing. Okay, and then step 3 is find a small problem from that whole research paper. Okay, so you have to read 9 to 10 papers. Okay, just find out a problem. Take the similar papers. So for step 1 is you're going to choose your interest in. So example, you have took the VLSI. Okay, VLSI is an topic where you're interested in, and then you are going to search for that existing VLSI papers from those sites, which I'll be going to tell you in the next few minutes. Okay, and then after reading, find out a small problems from it. Like maybe it is in any of the circuitries or any of the methods where you find out कि ये circuit बनाने से ये problem हो सकता है, and this voltage supply, this power supply. Okay, I'm telling you about with respect to the electronics. So just say that find out a small problem from it. Okay, step 4, initially start writing your paper. After you find that problem, take out a solution for that. Okay, so take out a solution for that, okay, for that problem, for that small problem, and just start writing it कि आप क्या क्या improvement कर सकते हो, what you are going to improve in that. Just write it down on a paper, okay, on a paper, on A4 size paper, on a ruled paper, anything you want. Just write out on a paper. Step 5, after you find out the solution, if you start writing your paper, step 5, just see the journals published with high citations. Okay, citations are just that how much hype is that paper getting from how many people, whether it is good, bad. It is just like ratings. Okay, citations are just like ratings of that paper. Okay, so this is all the 5 steps. Now we'll move to like how I'm writing my paper. So I'll not disclose the topic as well here. I'll just say I have chosen my interest. Okay, I have listed out existing research papers from that domain, and I have downloaded the PDFs if they are available. Otherwise, what you can do is, if you are belonging to any university and all, you can just go to that university thing like website. There you can find the research papers drop down, or published by any of the professors or students or any of the MTech students or something like that. You can just go through that, and then you can come back, you can download the PDFs if they are available. Okay, so now I'll tell you what are the websites which helped me, as well as which are going to help you for finding out the interest, for finding out the research papers existing of that one domain, and then you can switch to that. Coming to first, that is SciSpace, SCI space. Okay, SPACE. This is the SciSpace website wherein you'll find out the papers of that domain, particular domain, for example VLSI. So you'll have listing outs of all the VLSI papers starting from for any year. Okay, so you can just specify a VLSI paper 2012 to 2018, or 2018 to 2023 or 24, then 24 to 26, like till date you will get all the papers there. So benefit of this is like it simplifies the papers. Of course, there is an AI tool in it. If you upload that PDF link into that AI, which is in the I guess bottom right corner, okay, then it summarizes the papers. Okay, it just simplifies the papers. What is there in that, it just simplifies it. Okay, then next, coming to second one is Google Scholar. You have to search a topic here. Okay, wherein as I said, VLSI or embedded systems or IoT or computer networks, okay, something like this. You have to search for a paper. Then you'll find the highly cited paper. As I said, citations are just like ratings, right? So you'll find the good papers there wherein they are published by authors like from IITs or NITs or top colleges, tier 1 colleges, professors, students, any of one can upload here. Okay, publish it here. So you'll find highly cited papers here. So this is and this is all free. Okay, you don't have to pay for it. You don't have to get the subscriptions for any of the days or something like that. It is just a free website where you can just research about your topic. Then also here in Google Scholar, you can download the PDFs which are available. Okay, this is, you can just operate it like the downloaded PDFs, you can just operate it without internet also, right? So this is how, which is the benefit of Google Scholar. Now next one, third one is IEEE Explore. It is not EX, it is XPLORE. I'll just put down all these links in my description. You can just go check it out. Okay, so don't forget to just see those 5 steps before this all explorations. Okay, just find those 5 steps through this only. Okay, then IEEE Explore is best for the branches like EC, CSE, EEE, and like for electronics and telecommunication branches. This is the best website to explore the papers. Now next one is SciMago, SCIMAGO. SciMago Journal Rack. So here you will find the papers or the journals which are highly cited, which are published by the IITian students, or any tech professionals which are now switching their job from corporate to the technical stuff, which is like the professional things like what do you say, teachers or professors, okay, switching the jobs. Okay, so you'll find those papers here from those authors. Okay, so very few journal writings like there are very few journals here, like also called papers, which are very low cited, like which are very low rated. So you'll have this is also free, guys, this is also free. Okay, so one thing I would, so these are the four sites where you can find out the papers, and you can explore the papers, or you can download the PDFs of that particular paper. So one thing I would like to tell for the all students who are watching this video, or any professionals who are watching this video, if you want to start a research like me, what I'm doing right now, so just don't copy the research paper. Okay, read 10-15 research papers of similar domain, read all of them like line to line, so only that is called research, right? So understand the problem from it, what they are trying to explain, or what they are trying to invent, or what they are going to express themselves. Just read it out line by line. Okay, so then you will understand how is their approach, what is their problem exactly, what they have found out, and then you can come out with your own new approach or your new problem, and then the solution for that new problem. Okay, so just don't try to copy any research paper. That is one thing, when students come to write a research paper, they do copy. Like I have my relatives who are working under research things, like research R&D and all. So they tend to tell me that most of them people copy the papers and then publish it, which that is not accepted by universities, right, or any publications. So that's how many ideas begin, wherein you are approaching to a new problem. Okay, you are finding out to a solution for that new problem, right? So this is how the research begins. So as I said, I'm also working on my research, on my own research paper, wherein shortly I'll be going to publish it in the universal journals and all. So I'll make a short video of that, how I chose my interest, what else I did for writing that whole paper, whole content of that paper. I'll just tell you in short. Okay, so in my next videos. So if you're interested in engineering growth, internships, coding, okay, tech professional tutors like thing, do follow my this 7 days challenge, wherein you'll be very excited for my next videos, wherein I'm going to say everything which is related to engineering, and stay tuned for that. Okay, so tell me how you felt this video in the comment section. If you have any of the ideas, okay, do pitch it out. Okay, so yeah, meet you in my next video. Okay, till then, stay safe, keep learning. Bye bye.